Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your bacon taste better. First, select a high-quality, thick-cut bacon. This provides a more substantial bite and flavor. Lay the bacon strips in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Starting with a cold pan helps the fat render slowly and evenly, resulting in perfectly crispy bacon without burning. This initial step is crucial for achieving that ideal texture. Now, let's get cooking. Place your baking sheet into a cold oven, then set the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This gradual heating allows the bacon to cook slowly and become incredibly crispy. Bake for about 18 to 22 minutes, or until it reaches your desired crispness. Remember to flip the bacon halfway through to ensure both sides cook evenly. Once your bacon is perfectly cooked, carefully remove it from the oven. Transfer the strips to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess grease, ensuring a crisp finish. For an extra layer of flavor, consider sprinkling a small amount of brown sugar over the hot bacon. It melts into a delicious glaze. A dash of black pepper or a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper can also elevate the taste. For the ultimate experience, serve your delicious bacon immediately while it's warm and crispy. If you happen to have any leftovers, which is rare, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Reheat gently in a microwave or oven to regain some crispness. And hey, while you're enjoying your amazing bacon, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.